No. Do y'all see these curls? Baby, hold up.
Is on the Lexus, everything bigger in Texas.
Face to face with it, can't be beefing through no FaceTime. Further for your waistline.
Nigga who gon' slurp me like a icy. Bitches bite.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know you guys have not seen me in a while. So if you are new to my channel, my name is DerikaDashay, and if you aren't new, welcome back. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be reviewing this headband wig that I currently have on my head. I literally just slapped this on, so I'm gonna show you guys pretty much the unboxing of it and also how I'm going to be able to style this wig. So if you're interested, keep watching. I got sent some hair by Nadula hair company. I believe they have an Instagram as well as a Facebook. They are pretty much an online store where you can where you can shop different types of wigs. So with the packaging, of course, this is the wig that came straight out the box. I didn't do anything to this wig yet. I just literally put it on top of my head. So it is a headband wig. So this comes attached to the wig, as you can see. So in the box that I received, they gave me tons of different headbands. I'm gonna show you guys what some of them look like. This is probably my favorite one just because I love like leopard cheetah print. So this came in the packaging. We have this tropical headband that they gave me as well. And then we have like this tribal type of print. This is cute. And then we have another tropical Hawaiian type of headband. This one's super cute as well. And then we just have this striped headband that's tan and navy blue. And then this is the other headband that they gave me that, you know, can go in your hair like this. So yeah, they gave me tons of headbands with my order. They also gave me this super cute metallic looking brush. I'm gonna actually open this and see what I'm working with. Hold on. So this is what the brush looks like. Of course, I'll use this for like, you know, my wig brushes. It's coming off like a hot pink. It's like a, I don't know. It's like a, well, it's like a pink fuchsia color. Yeah, let me see. Okay. You know, some brush, you won't be doing dry, but this is, I like this brush. So I'm definitely gonna be using this. I like this a lot. And then last but not least, oh, just kidding. They gave us a little bit more. So I did get this little hair clip headband. I'm sure they sell these as well. I'm pretty sure you're gonna get this in your packaging. So they gave me a little money sign clip. They gave me two stocking caps, two tan stocking caps, which is definitely gonna come in handy because if you don't know by now, your girl do hair, your girl makes wigs, do wig installs, all of that. So this is gonna come in handy. And then last but not least, they gave me, oh, this is a cute little, I don't know, oh, it's like, it looks gray. I don't know if y'all can see all the different colors. That is pretty. It's like an iridescent, metallic looking makeup. It's like a little makeup bag. This is cute. Oh my gosh, I really like this. This is cute. And it's like, it folds up really easily because of the little triangles. This is cute. I like this a lot. So it's just what it looks like on the inside. And this is the little makeup case. Y'all know I'm gonna be using this, honey. This is cute. I like this a lot. So boom. Okay, now that's pretty much everything that I got inside my package. So now we are gonna go ahead and move on to the styling process, and we're gonna talk about this wig a little bit more. But so this is how I'm thinking about styling the hair. I'm about to put some layers in it. I'm about to just be cutting, like, I don't know. We're just about to start cutting and see how that's gonna go. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen videos on these headband wigs. So just to let you guys know, and a little bit information if you don't know already, there is a hair shortage going on. Well, scratch that. I should say there is a lace shortage going on. It's been going on since literally since COVID started, the whole pandemic and everything. So the beginning of this year. So for a lot of hairstylists or people that just sell hair in general, or even YouTubers, you know, there has been a shortage in lace. That's why a lot of companies and stylists are either going up on their prices or don't even have stock in, like myself. So it's been definitely a struggle, but we're gonna talk about all of that in my business video, because listen, your girl been stressed. But nonetheless, so that is why these headband wigs are coming. I would say be coming back, because back in the day, that's kind of how they started, like half wigs. Some of them had this headband, some of them didn't. The ones that you find in the beauty supply store. This isn't synthetic hair. It look a little synthetic. We looking real wiggish right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. So that's why I'm gonna come on here and try to fix it my best ability, so you guys can kind of see. And if you're waiting on, you know, this lace to come back like we are, this is a different alternative for a protective hairstyle, and actually way safer, I would say, than, well, it is way safer than frontals, because it's not damaging your edges. You don't have to put anything on your edges. It's literally a glueless wig, and my hair is braided back, so that's why I'm not going to be braiding my baby hairs and stuff like that. I'm not even a baby hair type of girl, so I'm not finna, we're not pretending, I'm just not gonna do that. But if you've seen any other videos as far as just, you know, the whole headbands, a lot of girls are doing like the like kind of like push their wig back a little bit so their actual hair can show, that's definitely an option too, and it's actually really cute. But since my hair is already braided, I'm not gonna take my braids down, just to, you know, because I got a lot of other stuff to be recording, so I'm not gonna do that. And I want to cut more layers throughout the wig, but I'm pressed for time right now. I'm supposed to be having dinner with the girls, but I don't know what else to talk about, y'all. I wanted to talk about my business and like the whole thing, but I kind of want to save it for a different video. But who knows? Let me see. This wig is 24 inches. I don't think I mentioned that, so it's on me. This is how long it is. This is how long the wig is. This color is pretty though. I am 5'1", so that's how long the unit is. But I'm gonna chop this wig up, okay? They say don't be afraid to cut, especially when you're doing layers, and that's what we're gonna do. Can y'all see? We doing a little something. I ain't no layer queen, but we doing something. This is what the back looks like, y'all. So it comes with this Velcro to snatch the headband part. This looks good. This looks, let me take a picture of this. Let me do a little, y'all, these curls are bouncy. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and comb these out. I actually need this mirror back. Okay, so let me stand up so you guys can really just see. Oh, yes. Yes, ma'am. What? Excuse me? No. Do y'all see these curls? Baby, hold up. Do y'all see these curls? Listen, your girl don't even curl hair, but this look good. This look good. I'm proud of myself, okay? Y'all in these layers. Take a minute, just take a minute, because this looks bomb. I'm really proud of myself. Y'all, look at this. I don't ever do nothing like this. Now listen, I could do some hair. I could do some hair. But listen, I don't do curls, and this looks immaculate, baby. Immaculate. What? They is lucky this is a headband wig. Child, what? This is, I think me putting the layers in here really helped. But the curls is just like, they're bomb. Y'all see me combing this out, and they are just, I am living. Y'all, I am living for this. Oh my, this is ridiculous. This is my winter. This is mine. They didn't give me this. I have like different colors. Don't mind the length. But it's just like the little winter looking headbands. This one's black. I have other colors, but I'm wearing this hoodie, so I'm just gonna throw this black one on. And plus this hair is red, so I don't want to do too much. So I'm gonna show y'all what I was talking about, and then we're gonna do the ponytail. So this is what my headband looks like. This is cute. Give me a second. I'm gonna just wear it like this to dinner because I'm not doing anything special. This is how this looks. Much completes this look, y'all. So I'm gonna just wrap this on up into a bun and call it a day. So yeah, I hope you guys did think this video was helpful. I hope you guys learned something, or yeah. So if you guys do want to check out where I got this wig from, all the information will be down in the description box below. I'll try to link some coupon codes for you guys as well. Don't forget to shop with them for the holidays. December is going to have tons of deals as well going on, so do not forget to shop with them. So yeah, I think this pretty much completes this look, y'all. I really like how it came out. I was kind of skeptical, but I love the end result. And this hair just in general, it's really good. It's really good hair. As y'all can see how the curls hold even after combing it out. Bomb. So I definitely give this a 10 out of 10 for the quality for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this hair, and I think that's it. So I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Hey, oh yeah, mellow.
Peace.